Hello everyone, this video is all about all-in-one secondary UoM in Odoo apps. So this module will help user to configure secondary units of measure on sale, purchase, invoice and the inventory. User can select secondary UoM on particular product after that display secondary quantity and the secondary unit of measure on the created sale order, purchase order, invoice and on the receipt and the delivery part in inventory. User can see secondary UoM on sale, purchase invoice and inventory reports also. So let's see how this will work. So first of all, we go into the inventory. In the inventory, under configuration, we go into the settings and we'll make sure we will enable the unit of measurement. We'll enable unit of measurement. We will save this, and after saving we go into the product. I'm going to cabinet with doors and we'll make sure we will assign the second, we will enable the secondary unit and we will assign then secondary URL, and we will make sure that the unit of measurement category would be same and the unit of measure can be different. So let's see how it will. So we go into the UM categories, and under unit of measurement category we can see we have two unit of measure, which is units and dozen, and our category is unit. So we have to make sure that when we add unit of measurement category for secondary and primary, we should make sure the unit of measure would can be different, but the category should be same. So here I am using the unit. Now let's see how it works for purchase, sales and invoice. We go into the purchase and we'll create a new purchase order, and we can choose any vendor. We will assign our product, which is cabinet with door, and here you can see the secondary unit quantity will be automatically calculated, and rest unit of price and everything will be there. If I change the quantity as 3, it will automatically change the secondary unit of measurement also. Let's save this and we will confirm the order. After confirming order, in receipt we can see again that your demand quantity is 3 and our quantity is 3. So and the demanded UM quantity is also 25, and the demand quantity for the UM quantity is 0.25. Once we validate this, and we can print the report for that also, we go into the setting icon button and we can print by using these three options we have, which is picking operation. And here you can see in picking option we have quantity and the secondary UM quantity also. Same wise we can download report for delivery slip. And here we have delivery slip report, in which again the order and the secondary UM quantity is there. So this is how it will work for the in purchase module. And also we can create bill from here, and same will be reflected in the bill section also. Let's suppose I will confirm the bill and I want to print this bill paid without payment. Here is the bill, in which also you can see quantity, second UM quantity, everything will be mentioned over here with the price and amount. So this is the part of purchase for the second unit of measurement. Same we can go for the sales. We will go into sales and we will create a new order over here. Let's assign any vendor, customer over here, and then we will choose our product, cabinet with doors, and here you can see the quantity is 1 and the secondary UM is 0.09. Let's suppose if I change it to 1 to 5, and the secondary UM will also changes. We will save this and we'll confirm the order, and we go into the delivery over here, and here you can see demanded quantity and the quantity 5, and same we can see secondary UM quantity and the secondary demanded UM. We will validate this and we will print by going into print, and here again we have three options of picking operation, delivery slip, which we can also download from the inventory part, which I will show in later. So first we go into the again like in our order, and we will print From here also, like PDF quote or the quotation or order, we can print from there. Going into the setting and print, and here you can see again we have quantity, second UM quantity, everything is mentioned over here. After this, we can create an invoice, and again we can print same invoice and everything, in which UM and the second UM will be displayed over here. And from here you can see this is our invoice for the sales, and here is the quantity 5 units and the second UM quantity 0.42 dozen. Let's see how in inventory part we can see that we go into the operation, and here we have receipts and the delivery. So we go into the receipts, and we recently create the Azure interior. Here you can see demand quantity and the secondary UM 0.25, and we can directly print from here also. Again we have picking operation, delivery slip and everything here. We can simply click on that, and we will open our PDF, and here you can see in PDF we have got 3 units and the secondary UM quantity is 0.25 dozen. And we can directly download the delivery slip by clicking on this print button. When we click this print button, it will generate the delivery slip PDF. So here we go, and here you can see the delivery slip PDF with the order, which is 3 unit, then delivered 3 unit, and the secondary UM of quantity is 0.25 dozen. Now we will look into invoicing part. We go into the invoice, we go into the customer invoice, and again here we can create a new invoice and the past invoice also, which we have already created. Here you can see, and let's see, we will create a new invoice and how we can assign that. So we'll add any customer over here. We'll add the product name, and here you can see automatically the second UM is fetched. Again we will change the quantity, second UM will be changed. We will save this. Right now it's in the draft state, and we will confirm the invoice. And it is posted, and we can directly print from here also. Click on the continue part, and it will generate the PDF. And we will download the PDF, and here is the PDF with the cabin of door with 1 unit, and the it will show secondary UM with all the unit price tax and what is the final total which we have to pay. So this is how this module will work. If you have any doubt or any query regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section, and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.